Hi, this is Marcia Peng. My presentation for the 2021 convention is Why do we have to separate brain from the mind? An important clarification for hypnotists. The presentation is designed to share new scientific research and findings about the relationship of brain and the mind. I'll be covering the following topics. First, I'll share when and how this concept of the brain is the seat of a mind started in history. Second, I'll share new scientific research and evidence that challenge this belief. And finally, I'll explain why hypnotist community should avoid using brain to refer mind from now on. This presentation is best for those who want to better understand mind-body interactions. I look forward to sharing my program with you. Thank you.